sun's coming out. There's a little chapel across the mountain, across the valley. This is the little path that we used to use to access our land. This is Harriman+Palola+Crete olive trees. You see the little road that goes up, and then over here where there's all grass that's overgrown, that's ours going up. And this is where the road drops down toward the main road. Normally we wouldn't be able to get onto our land from there because it drops down and there's a cliff on the right. Not anymore. Look at this. My God, it looks like they're building a mall up there. This is our property line right here, and that is Harriman+Palola+Crete's olive tree. The property line goes up, I don't know, and then over here is our other property line, right at the corner where that cliff comes down. It goes behind that tree. That tree's ours, and it goes straight up. And at this line, oh my God. This is the first time I've seen this. I came up last night and just walked the line, but the only thing I saw the excavator. So our property goes up to this stake, and then walks all the way up here. Oh, we saved this old tree, that's good. And this old tree, that's good. This is probably where the driveway is going to come, along here. And we're going to have to, unfortunately, cut this old girl's branch off to make... Oh, yeah, we lost that baby. And I think that is Stamati. Here's where the main house is going to be, and here's the little house. Kalimera.
Oh, Kalimera.
Τι κάνετε?
Καλά, εσείς.
Σταμάτη είσαι?
Σταμάτησε.
Α, Ρικάρδος.
Τι κάνουμε?
Γεια σου, Σταμάτη.
Καλώς ήρθατε.
Α, thank you, thank you. Ευχαριστώ.
Καλορίζικο.
Yeah, ωραίο.
Ωραίο.
Ωραίο σπίτι.
Ωραίο σπίτι. Ωραίο μέρος. Θάλασσα.
Yeah, yeah.
Νου. Πολύ καλό.
Yeah. Φωτογραφία για γυναίκα μου.
Και για μένα, αμέ.
Γεια σας. Πώς σε λένε, Σταμάτη, ο γιος σου, ναι. Πώς σε λένε?
Παναγιώτης, Πάνος, Παναγιώτης.
Πάνος. Ρικάρδος. Χάιντικα.